Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are here for the discussion of Stse 2025 paper which was held on 16th of November, and we will discuss the solutions of physics subject. So let us start our discussion. Question number 1. In question number 1 it is said, if the velocity v of an object changes from initial velocity u to time t, then acceleration will be, as we know that the formula for acceleration is v minus u upon t. That means option 1 is our correct answer. Next question. In next question, which of the following has same unit as speed? As we know that retardation has unit meter per second square, distance has meter, displacement also have meter. So the velocity unit is meter per second. That means option 4 is our correct answer. Next question, number 3. If the force acting on an object is 0, that means F is 0, then its momentum will be. As we know that if F is 0, then we can say acceleration of object will be also 0. That means there will be no change in velocity. And the formula for momentum is P is equals to mv. That means V will be constant, so momentum will be also constant. So our correct answer is option 3. Question number 4. In question number 4, it is said two forces of 4 Newton and 6 Newton act in opposite direction on an object of mass 2 kg. The value of acceleration on the object will be. Okay, so first of all, we should find the net force, that is 6 minus 4, which is equals to 2 Newton. Okay, and we know that F net is equals to ma. We have to find value of a, that is a equal to F net divided by m, which is net force is 2 and mass is also 2. That means acceleration will be 1 meter per second square. So our correct answer is option 2. Okay, next question. Question number 5. Two bodies of mass m and small m are separated by a distance small d. The gravitational force between them is F. We know that the formula for gravitational force is given by G capital M small m divided by d square. Okay, equation number 1. Now if the distance is doubled, let's say the new distance is d dash, which is doubled, that means 2d. Okay, then the value of gravitational force will be, so new value will be, let's say F dash, that is G capital M small m d dash square, and the value of d dash is 2d to the whole square, which becomes equal to G capital M small m divided by 4d square, which is equals to F by 4. So our correct answer is option 4. Next question number 6. An object has mass of 6 kg. What would be its weight on the moon? As we know that the weight is given by mg. So on Earth's surface, the weight will be 6 into g. And weight on moon, we know that the value of mass does not changes anywhere. And the gravitational acceleration on moon becomes 1 by 6 times. That means mass is 6 and gravitational acceleration is g by 6. So in this case, the weight on moon becomes equal to gravitational acceleration on Earth's surface, that is small g, and its value is 9.8 Newton. That means option 2 is our correct answer. Next question. Question number 7. Which of the following instrument does not work on the principle of Archimedes? As we know that hydrometer, lactometer and submarine works on the principle of Archimedes. So our correct answer will be option 4. Question number 8. How much energy does a 100-watt bulb produces per hour? Okay, so the power is given here 100 watt and the time is given here 1 hour. Okay, so we have to calculate the energy. So let's say the energy Q is equals to, that is equals to P into T, that is 100 multiplied by, now we have to convert 1 hour into seconds. Okay, because answer is given in joule. So it becomes 60 multiplied by 60, which is equals to 360000. That means option A is our correct answer. Next question number 9. If the mass of an object is increased by 4 times and velocity should reduce by half time, then the kinetic energy of object will. Okay, as we know that the kinetic energy is given by half mv square. Now, in new situation, let's say kinetic energy is k dash, and it is said that the mass is increased by 4 times. That means it becomes 4m, and velocity is reduced by half times. That means v divided by 2 whole square. K dash is equals to half multiplied by 4m multiplied by v square divided by 4. 4 is cancelled by this 4. So it becomes k dash is equals to half mv square, which is equals to initial kinetic energy. That means it will not change. So our correct answer will be option 3, unchanged. Okay, next question, number 10. What is the frequency value of ultrasonic sound? So we know that the frequency value of ultrasonic sound is more than 20 kilohertz. So option 3 is our correct answer. Next question, number 11. The SI unit of frequency of sound wave is, as we know that the SI unit of frequency is hertz. So option 2 is our correct answer. Question number 12. If the speed of sound is 340 meter per second and frequency is 20 hertz, then the wavelength will be, as we know that the relation between frequency, wavelength and speed is given by frequency is equals to speed divided by wavelength. So wavelength is equals to become speed divided by frequency. Okay, so speed is given 340 and the frequency is given 20. Okay, so on solving this we get the answer 17 meters. So option 4 is our correct answer. Question number 3. If the power of lens is minus 2.5 diopter, what is its focal length? As we know that power is given minus 2.5 diopter, and for relation between power and focal length is f is equals to 1 by p. So putting the values minus 1 divided by 2.5. On solving this we will get minus 0.4 diopter. So our correct answer is option 1. Next question, question number 14. The refractive index of diamond. As we know that the refractive index of diamond is given by 2.42. That means option 3 is our correct answer. Question number 15. A dentist uses to see magnified image of the patient's teeth. So we know that dentist uses a concave mirror to see the magnified image of patient's teeth. So our correct answer is option 4. Question number 16. The least distance of distinct vision for an adult with a normal vision is, that is equal to 25 centimeter. Option 3 is our correct answer. Question number 17. Why is the clean sky blue in color? Okay, so as we know that this happens due to the scattering of light. So our correct answer is option 4. Next question number 18. Which lens can be used to correct the nearsightedness? Nearsightedness defect uses the concave lens, okay, diverging lens. So our correct answer is option 1. Question number 19. Electric charge of magnitude 150 coulomb, that means value of Q is given 150 coulomb, flows through an electric circuit for 5 minutes. That means time is given 5 minutes. Converting it into seconds, it becomes 5 multiplied by 60, which is equals to 300. Okay, so the magnitude of electric current drawn through the circuit will be I is equals to Q upon T. 150 divided by 300, that is 1 by 2, which is equal to 0.5 ampere. So option 2 is our correct answer. Next question, question number 20. In question number 20, here our electric circuit is given. We have to calculate the total resistance. Okay, so we can see here 3 resistors of 5 ohm, 10 ohm and 30 ohm are connected in parallel. So first of all, I will solve combination of 5 and 10 ohm resistor. So by using the formula R equivalent R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. Okay, so let's say R dash. Okay, so it becomes 5 into 10 divided by 5 plus 10, that is 50 divided by 15, which is equals to 10 divided by 3 ohm. Now this 10 by 3 ohm is in parallel with 30 ohm. Let's say the R total is 10 by 3 multiplied by 30 divided by 10 by 3 plus 30, which is equals to 300 divided by 3 divided by 30 plus 90 divided by 3. This 3 is cancelled by this 3. It becomes 300 divided by 100. So final answer becomes 3 ohm. So our correct answer is option 1. Next question number 21. The potential difference across a 5 ohm resistor is 20 volt. That means value of R is given 5 ohm and potential difference is given 20 volt. The amount of heat generated per second. Okay, that means T is given 1 second. Okay, so as we know that the formula using these terms will become V square by R multiplied by T, that is 20 square divided by 5 multiplied by 1, which is 400 divided by 5, and it becomes 80 joule. So correct answer is option 3. Next question number 22. At the time of short circuit, the current in the circuit, as we know that during the time of short circuit, the value of current increases very heavily. So our correct answer is option 1. Question number 23. Here a diagram is given. An electron enters a magnetic field at right angle to it as shown in the figure. The direction of force acting on the electron will be. So we have to find the direction of magnetic force, which is given by Fleming's left hand rule. That is F, that is B, that is I. That means if first finger is in the direction of magnetic field, middle finger is in the direction of flow of current, then thumb will represent the direction of force. And we know that the direction of current is opposite to the direction of movement of electron. So first of all, we will point our first finger in the direction of magnetic field. As electron is moving downward, so value of direction of current will be upwards. That means like this. So thumb is representing into the page. So our correct answer is option 3, into the page. Question number 24. Question number 24. Which of these devices behave as a bar magnet? So we know that bar magnet has two poles, north pole and south pole, and a current carrying solenoid behave as bar magnet because its one phase become north pole and another becomes south pole. So our correct answer is option 2. Question number 25. Which of the following term does not represent electric power in a circuit? We know that the formula of power is VI, or we can say I square R using Ohm's law, or we can say V square by R. So out of these four options, option 4 is not represent, option 4 does not represent the power. So it is our correct answer, option 4. So we have discussed all the questions of physics subject. I hope you have done your paper very good. All the best.
Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss STSC paper solution for set Chemistry 16th November 2025. Let's discuss with the questions. 26th question is rate of evaporation increases with. As we know that rate of evaporation increases with increase in surface area, increase in temperature, decrease in humidity, increase in wind speed. Now the options are: first, decrease of surface area, it is wrong. Option 2, decrease in humidity, yes, it is correct. Decrease in temperature, it is wrong. Decrease in wind speed, it is again wrong. So answer is option 2. Now the next question is question number 27. The process of conversion of a solid substance directly into gas is called, as we know that solid directly change into gas, it is called sublimation. So let's check the option. Option 1 is evaporation. No, it is wrong. Option 2 is sublimation. Yes, it is correct. So the correct answer is option 2. Now the next question is 28. The chemical name of substance present in dry ice. As we know that dry ice is solid CO2. So CO2 is the chemical formula of dry ice. First, nitrogen, it is wrong. Second, carbon monoxide, it is again wrong. The third option, carbon dioxide, yes, it is correct. So the answer is option 3, carbon dioxide. Now the next question is 29. Solute and solvent in tincture of iodine respectively are. As we know that tincture iodine is the mixture of iodine and alcohol, where iodine is solute and alcohol act as a solvent. Let's discuss the option. First, alcohol and iodine. We have to choose solute then solvent, so it is wrong. Second, water, iodine, it is wrong. Third, iodine, water, yes, it is again wrong. 4, iodine, alcohol, yes, this is correct, as iodine is solute and alcohol is solvent. So, the correct option is option 4. Now, the next question is, type of colloid present in rubber is, as we know that rubber is a foam, so the type of colloid is foam. The first option is foam, that is correct, so the answer is option 1. Now the next question is, the metal which exists in liquid state at room temperature is, as we know that the metal which exists as liquid phase is mercury. Let's discuss the options. Option first is mercury. Yes, this is the correct answer and the answer is option 1. Now the next question is question number 32. According to IUPAC, the full name of unit of atomic mass mu is, as we know that mu is unified mass. Let's discuss the options. Option 1 is unit, this is wrong. Option 2 is mass unit, that is again wrong. Option 3 is unique mass, that is also wrong. Option 4 is unified mass. Yes, this is the correct option. So the answer is option 4. The next question is question 33. Element having highest atomicity. Let's discuss the options. Phosphorus, as we know the atomicity of phosphorus is 4. Sodium, the atomicity of sodium is 1. Sulfur, the atomicity is 8. And hydrogen, the atomicity is 2. So, we have to choose highest atomicity. So, the answer is option 3. Now, the next question is 34. Formula of calcium hydroxide is, we know that the calcium hydroxide is CaOH whole twice. So, the option 1 CaHO is incorrect. The option is CaOH second also incorrect. Third CaOH2, it is also incorrect. The last fourth option is calcium hydroxide CaOH whole twice. This is correct. So the answer is option 4. Now question 35 is, number of neutrons present in chlorine 37 atom is, as we know that according to symbol atomic number is 17 and atomic mass is given as 37. So, the number of neutron can be calculated by subtracting atomic number from atomic mass. So, we can get the number of neutron 20. Let's discuss the option. Option 1 is 17. This is wrong. Option 2 is 18. That is again wrong. Option 3 is 20. Yes. Option 3, 20 is the correct answer. Now, the next question is, carbon 612, carbon 614 are mutually called as. As we know that the atoms of same element having different atomic masses are known as isotopes. Let's discuss the option. Option 1 is isotopes. Yes, this is the correct answer for the question. Now, the next question is 37. Valency of fluorine is, we know that the atomic number of fluorine is 9 and the atomic electronic distribution is 2, 7, and from this we can get valency 1. So, the options are, option 1 is 1. Yes, the valency of fluorine is 1. So, the answer is option 1. Now, the next question is, magnesium plus oxygen, magnesium oxide. the balanced chemical equation for the above reaction will be? As we know that when magnesium ribbon is burnt in oxygen, then the white powdered substance magnesium oxide is formed. After balancing the equation, we get 2 magnesium plus O2, 2 MgO. Now, let's discuss the option. Option 1 is Mg plus O. This is wrong. Option 2 is Mg plus O2 MgO. It is again wrong. Option 3, 2 Mg O2 2 MgO. This is the correct option and the correct answer. Option 3rd. Now, the next question is, here the reaction is given in which products are lead oxide, nitrogen oxide and oxygen. And as we know, this reaction is the thermal decomposition of lead nitrate. After thermal decomposition of lead nitrate, we get PbO, NO2 and O2. So, X in above reaction is PbNO3 whole twice. Let's discuss the option. Option 1 is PbNO3. It is wrong. Option 2 is PbNO3 whole twice. Yes, this is correct. So, the answer is option 2. Now, the next question is, the gas filled in bag of chips. As we know that nitrogen gas is least reactive gas, so this is filled in bag of chips. So option 1 is nitrogen. That is the correct answer of question 40. So option 1 is correct. Now the next question is, olfactory indicator is. As we know that olfactory indicator will change its odor in the acidic and basic medium, and these are onion, clove oil and vanilla essence. So options will be, first blue litmus, it is wrong. Second phenolphthalein, it is again wrong. Third methyl orange, it is again wrong. And 4 clove oil, yes, this is the correct answer for the question, and answer is option 4. Now next question is, 2NaOH plus Zn gives X and H2. As we know that when we add zinc in NaOH, we get Na2ZnO2 plus hydrogen gas, and this is called sodium zincate. Now the name of X in above reaction is, first sodium zinc oxide, no, it is wrong. Disodium zinc oxide, this is again wrong. Sodium zincite, this is again wrong. Sodium zincate, yes, this is the correct answer of the question, option 4. Now the next question is, name of non-metallic oxide is generally. As we know that non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature and metallic oxides are basic. Let's discuss the options. Option 1 is acidic and it becomes the correct option for question number 43, and that is acidic. Now the next question is, the acid present in lemon is. As we know that lemon has citric acid, so the answer will be option 1 acetic acid, it is wrong. Tartaric acid, it is wrong. Oxalic acid, it is again wrong. And the 4 citric acid, yes, this is the correct answer. Now the next question is, the best conductor of heat among the following is iron, lead, copper and aluminium. From these metals, we know that copper is the best conductor of heat. So the answer is option 2. The next question is, hardest natural substance. As we know that hardest natural substance is diamond, and the option 1 becomes the correct answer. Now the next question is, copper when exposed to moist air for a long time acquires a coating of green color. Name of the green substance is. Let's discuss the question. when copper react with water and CO2, then basic copper carbonate is formed, and this form a greenish layer. So let's discuss the option. First, copper oxide, no, it is wrong. Second, copper sulfide, no, it is wrong. Copper sulfate, it is again wrong. And 4, basic copper carbonate, this is the correct answer. So the answer is option 4. Now the next question is major component of biogas. As we know that major component of biogas is methane. So first, oxygen, it is wrong, and second, methane, this option is the correct. So answer is option 2. Now next question is number of shared pair of electrons present in oxygen molecule is. Let's discuss the formation of oxygen molecule. As we know that from each oxygen, 2 electrons are taking part in the sharing. So here 2 pairs of electrons are used in sharing. So the answer will be first 2. Now the next question is in this reaction CH3CH2OH, this is ethanol, in the presence of hot concentrate H2SO4 gives ethene and water. The temperature required for the completion of above reaction will be. In this reaction, we see that elimination is occurred from ethanol, and this reaction is done on 443 Kelvin temperature. So the first option 373 is incorrect. Second, 413 again incorrect. Third, 443 Kelvin, yes, this is the correct option for this question. Now this is the part chemistry set. Thank you everyone.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about STSC paper solution class 10th biology. Let's start. First question for biology. Cell organelle help in the production of fat or lipid molecule. Option A, lysosome. B, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. C, Golgi apparatus. And next vacuole. In this case, fat and lipid formation formed in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. ER in two type, RER and SER. RER help in protein formation, SER help in fat or lipid formation. Right answer is second option. Next question is phloem cells which are not living. First, sieve tube. Second, companion cell. Third, phloem parenchyma. And last, fourth, phloem fiber. Our right answer is phloem fiber. Phloem fiber, non-living in phloem parts. Next, husk of coconut are made up of which tissue? Hard husk of coconut. Formed by sclerenchyma, not by parenchyma, chlorenchyma and collenchyma. Sclerenchyma present outer surface of coconut. Next, right group of micronutrient is first zinc, boron, manganese. Second, iron, copper, sulfur, no. Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, calcium, chlorine. Our right answer is option first, zinc, boron and manganese. These are the micronutrients. So first option is right. Next, organic farming include. Organic farming use fertilizer? No. Chemical, so not include. Use of pesticide? No. Pest control method. Herbicide, herbs control method? No. Not include in farming, organic farming. But use of bioagent, like BT, cotton, Bacillus thuringiensis. For biocontrol, organic farming, you not use pesticide, not use fertilizer, not use herbicide in this method. So this is pure organic farming used of bioagent. Next, an example of growth inhibitor plant hormone is first auxin. Auxin is growth hormone present at the tip of the plant and shoot and root. Gibberellin. Gibberellin for growth of stem or growth of the bunch type of rosette type of the plant. Next, cytokinin for cell division, but abscisic acid inhibit the growth in the stress condition. So ABA, abscisic acid is the correct answer for this question. Next, in Mendel's hybridization experiment, the ratio of tall plant and short mean dwarf plant in the F2 progeny is according to Mendel's hybridization, F1 generation 100% tall, hybrid tall, but in F2 capital T, small t, or small t. In this case, 3 tall and 1 dwarf. 3:1 phenotype. So 3:1, second option is the right answer for F2 generation. Next, the generation which express first time the recessive trait in hybridization experiment. First time, capital T cross small t, capital T, small t. In this case, recessive not shown their character. Hidden character is recessive and express character is tall. But in F2 generation, capital T, small t, small t. This is recessive. So, in F2 generation, first time recessive trait shown in hybridization experiment. So, F2, 3 option. Third option is the correct answer for this question. Next, radiation due to which ozone is formed by oxygen at higher level of the atmosphere. UV radiation, visual light, X-ray, IR. Our right answer is UV radiation, because UV radiation work on ozone that split into O2 and single O, nuisance O. So in this condition, UV radiation due to which ozone is formed by oxygen. This method is used by UV radiation. So our right answer is option first. Next question. In a food chain, amount of energy is subsequent tropic level. Increase, remain unchanged, initially increase then decrease, and last decrease. In this case, energy decrease in subsequent tropic level, because rule of 10% apply in energy level. So fourth is right answer, decrease in tropic level. Next question. Chromosomes are composed of only protein? No. Only RNA? No. Only DNA and RNA? No. Only DNA and protein. Right. DNA and protein present in chromosome. Right answer is option fourth. Next. Connective tissue that connect the bone is nerve fiber? No. Ligament? Yes. Bone and another bone connect with ligament. So right answer is ligament, cartilage and tendon. Cartilage present nose, ear, tip, and tendon joint to muscles. So ligament is the right answer for this question. The fluid matrix of blood is called blood. In blood, plasma and cells. So matrix fluid is plasma, cells present in plasma, RBC, WBC, platelet present in plasma. So matrix is plasma. So third option is right for this question. Next, example of foreign breed of cow are Jersey, Brown Swiss is the right answer. Red Sindhi, Sahiwal, Red Sindhi, Jersey foreign, Red Sindhi local, Brown, Sahiwal. So right answer is Jersey, Brown, Swiss, foreign breed for cow. Option 1. Next, the cell organelle formed by the Golgi apparatus. Plastid? No. Golgi apparatus not related with plastid. Mitochondria? No. Vacuole? No. Lysosome is the right answer. Option 4 is the correct. Next, in humans, oxygen-rich blood from lungs come to which part of the heart? Heart, in this case, left or right? Left atrium, right atrium, lungs, from lungs to left atrium. Oxygenated blood, oxygen rich blood from lungs come to which part of the heart? Right atrium? No. Left atrium? Right. Right ventricle? No. And left ventricle? No. So right answer is second option. Next question. Hormone which is produced by the pancreas and help in regulating the blood sugar level. Insulin. Insulin is correct answer for sugar control. Insulin, sugar control. Adrenal, no. Adrenal produced by upper part of kidney present adrenal gland that produce adrenaline. Estrogen in female hormone, and testosterone, male hormone. So correct answer is option A, insulin that control sugar level in blood. Next, it is the structure that provide nutrition from the mother's blood to the embryo. Oviduct is fallopian tube, help in transfer of ova from ovary to uterus. Next, vas deferens present in male from testes to pathway of ejaculatory duct. And ureter connect the urinary bladder and kidney. And last, placenta present in mother's uterus that connect with navel of embryo and transfer the nutrition from mother to embryo. So right answer is option 4, that provide nutrition from mother's blood to embryo. Next, the chromosome that inherit in the female child from the father. Father is XY, mother is XX. In the condition of daughter formation, X transfer from father, X transfer from mother, and XX, that is daughter. It's mean baby girl, chromosome in female. So X transfer from father in the female child from the father. XXY no, Y no, X is the right answer. Option 3 is correct for this question. Next, the second tropic level. First topic level, plant. Second topic level. First topic level in the food chain is producer, second primary consumer, secondary consumer, and tertiary consumer. Producer is first, but second topic level is herbivores. Herbivores mean primary consumer. So primary consumer present in second topic level. Our right answer is option second. These are the all solution for STSC biology paper solution for STSC 2025. Thank you.
Hello students, now we will solve the solution of mathematics part. So coming to the question. So question is, if 3 to the power x into 3 to the power 3 by 4 equal to 3, then the value of x is. So here we have to apply the law of power and exponent. It is a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. इसको हम यहाँ पे अप्लाई करते हैं. So 3 to the power x plus 3 by 4 हो जाएगा ये, और यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है 3 की पावर 1. Now we have to apply one another rule of law of power and exponent, that is a to the power m equal to a to the power n. So यहाँ से जब हम इसको कंपेयर करेंगे, so x plus 3 upon 4 equal to हो जाएगा 1, and from here we will get x equal to 1 minus 3 by 4, और जब हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमें x की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी 1 by 4, जो कि हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 2 है. सो ऑप्शन नंबर 2 हमारा सही आंसर होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में आते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इफ x प्लस 1 इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ 4x क्यूब प्लस 3x स्क्वायर माइनस kx प्लस 3, देन द वैल्यू ऑफ k इज. सो यहाँ पे x प्लस 1 जो है इस पॉलिनोमियल का एक्सप्रेशन गिवन है, तो हम यहाँ पे फैक्टर थ्योरम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. सो जब हम फैक्टर थ्योरम अप्लाई करते हैं, सो जो फैक्टर होता है उसकी वैल्यू को हम 0 पुट करके उस वेरिएबल की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करते हैं. सो फ्रॉम हियर वी विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x इक्वल टू -1. नाउ वी हैव टू सब्स्टिट्यूट दिस वैल्यू इन गिवन एक्सप्रेशन. So it is 4 minus 1 whole cube minus k into -1 plus 3 into -1 square plus 3 is equal to 0. So 4 into -1 whole cube is -4, minus k into -1 is plus k, plus 3 into 1 plus 3 equal to 0. So it is now k plus 2 is equal to 0 और k इक्वल टू -2, जो कि हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 4 है. सो ऑप्शन नंबर 4 इज द राइट आंसर. नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So next question is, the perpendicular distance of the point P from y-axis is. So first of all we have to find out the coordinates of P. Here you can see the x coordinate of this point P is 4 and the y coordinate of this point is 3. So coordinates of P are 4 and 3, and we have to find out the perpendicular distance of the point from y-axis. So this is y-axis, so perpendicular distance from this point is this, and this value is given 4. So our answer is 4 units, which is in option 3. So option 3 is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. In the given figure, AB parallel to CD, EF perpendicular on CD, and angle GED equal to 126 degree, then the value of angle FGE. So if EF is perpendicular on CD, then this means this angle is 90 degree, and this angle is given 90 degree. AB parallel to CD, it is the alternate anterior angle of angle E. So angle F is equal to angle E, which is equal to 90 degree. Here angle GED, this whole angle is given 126 degree. So this angle GEF is 126 minus 90, which is equal to 36 degree. Now we have to find out the value of angle FGE. So हमें ये वाला एंगल निकालना है. So we have to apply angle sum property here. So angle G plus angle E plus angle F equal to 180 degree. So angle G यहाँ से आ जाएगा आपका 180 minus 90 plus 36, which is equal to 180 minus 126 equal to 54 degree, जो कि हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 2 है. So ऑप्शन नंबर 2 is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. In the given figure, AC equal to AE, AB equal to AD and angle BAD equal to angle EAC, then side BC is equal to. So यहाँ पे हम दो ट्राइंगल बना लेते हैं. एक ट्राइंगल हम बनाते हैं ABC, एक ट्राइंगल हमने बनाया ABC, दूसरा ट्राइंगल हम बना लेते हैं ADE. So यहाँ पे आप देखिए हमें गिवन है AC इक्वल टू AE. सो AC इक्वल टू AE हमारे पास गिवन है. नेक्स्ट हमें गिवन है AB इक्वल टू AD. सो AB इज दिस एंड AD इज दिस. नेक्स्ट हमें गिवन है एंगल BAD इक्वल टू एंगल EAC, BAD. सो लेट अस अज्यूम दिस एंगल इज x. सो दिस एंगल इज आल्सो x. सो नाउ वी हैव टू अज्यूम दिस एंगल इज y. सो आप यहां से देखिए ये जो हमारे पास एंगल BAC बनेगा, ये बनेगा आपके पास x प्लस y. और सिमिलरली आप यहां पे देखिएगा एंगल A, ट्राइंगल ADE में ये जो एंगल आपके पास बनेगा ये भी x प्लस वाई बनेगा. सो दिस एंगल इज ऑल्सो x प्लस वाई. सो यहां पे आप देखिए दोनों ट्राइंगल जो है SAS से क्या बन रहे हैं, कॉन्ग्रुएंस बन रहे हैं. ये S, ये A और ये S, SAS से कॉन्ग्रुएंस बन रहे हैं. सो रिमेनिंग साइड जो हमारे पास BC है वो इक्वल हो जाएगी आपके DE की, जो कि हमारी ऑप्शन नंबर 1 में है. सो इट मींस ऑप्शन नंबर 1 इज द राइट आंसर. नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Next question is two circles of radius 3 cm and 5 cm intersect at 2 points and the distance between their center is 4 cm. The length of the common chord is. So first of all we have to draw a diagram. So first circle is, let us assume it is radius is 5 cm and the second circle is like this. So let's assume this is center 2 and this is center 1 and this distance is given 4 cm and this is the radius of larger circle. So this distance is 5 cm. Let us assume this point is O. Here it is 90 degree angle. So हम यहाँ पे पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अगर अप्लाई करते हैं, so this value is O. Let us assume this point is A. So OA value is 3. Similarly this point is B, so OB value is 3. It means the length of chord is 6 cm. So option number 4 is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. The sides of a triangular plot are in the ratio 7:24:25 and its perimeter is 280 meter. The area of this plot is. So here ट्राइंगुलर प्लॉट्स की साइड्स का रेशियो हमें गिवन है. सो हम यहाँ पे एरिया निकालने के लिए हीरोन्स फार्मूला का यूज करेंगे. सो हीरोन्स फार्मूला आपका होता है अंडर रूट ऑफ S इंटू S माइनस A, S माइनस B, S माइनस C. Here semi perimeter, S means semi perimeter and semi perimeter is 280 upon 2 which is equal to 140. Here it is given that the ratio of sides. So let us assume first side is A equal to 7K, second side B equal to 24K and the third side C equal to 25K. It is given that perimeter of triangle is 280. So 7K plus 24K plus 25K is equal to 280. From here we have to calculate the value of K. So 24 plus 7 is 31, 31 plus 25 is 56. K is equal to 280. So K equal to 280 upon 56 which is equal to 5. So the value of K is 5. Now we have to find out the value of side. So side A equal to 7 into 5 which is equal to 35. B equal to 24 into 5 which is equal to 120. C equal to 25 into 5 which is equal to 125. Now we have to substitute the value of S, A, B and C in this formula. So area of triangular plot A equal to under root of 140 into 140 minus 35 which is equal to 105. 140 minus 120 which is equal to 20 and 140 minus 125 which is equal to 15. So now we have to solve this part. So 140 is, I have to write the factor of 140 is 7 into 2 into 5 into 2. Similarly the factor of 105 is 7 into 3 into 5. Factor of 20 is 5 into 2 into 2 and similarly the factor of 15 is 5 into 3. Now we have to make a pair. So here you can see 7 and 7 is one pair. So the square root of this number is 7. Similarly, 2 and 2 are the another pair. So square root of this number is 2. Similarly, 5 and 5. So this number is 5. Similarly, 3 and 3. So this number is 3. Similarly, 5 and 5. So this number is 5. And last is 2 and 2. So this number is 2. So our answer is 7 2s are 14, 14 5s are 70 into 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 70 into 13 is 2100 square meter. So option 2 is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. The height and the slant height of a cone are 21 centimeter and 28 centimeter respectively. The volume of this cone is. So here slant height and height is given. So first of all we have to find out the radius of the cone. So for radius we have to apply L square equal to H square plus R square. Here L square is 28. So 28 square equal to 21 square plus R square. Now we have to find out the radius of the cone. So radius of the cone R square equal to 28 square minus 21 square. We have to apply here A square minus B square. So we will get 28 minus 21 into 28 plus 21. 28 minus 21 is 7 and 28 plus 29 is 49. So the radius of the cone is 7 under root 7, and we have to find out the volume of this cone. So volume of this cone is V equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square, as the value of pi is 22 by 7. R square means 49 into 7 into height. Height is given 21 centimeter. Here you can see 3 and 7 are 21. 3 multiplied by 7 is 21 and this 21 is cancelled out. So our answer is 29 into 49 into 7. We have to multiply these three numbers. So we will get 22 into 7 9s are 63, carry 6, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 6 is 34. So our answer is 22 into 343, which is equal to 7546 centimeter cube. So our answer is 7546 centimeter cube. Now coming to the next question. The lowest number when multiplied by square root of 1323 gives a natural number will be. So first of all we have to find out the prime factorization of 1323. So this number is divisible by 3. So 3 4s are 12, carry 1, remainder is 1. So 1 2 is 12, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3. Now this 441 is the square of 21. So 21 into 21 is 441. So 21 divided by 21 is 1. So when we multiply this number by square root of 3, then this number is a natural number. So our answer is option 1. Now coming to the next question. If 7 and minus 4 are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial x square plus ax plus b, then the value of a and b are respectively. So here you can see the zeros of these quadratic polynomials are given. So first of all we have to put x equal to 7. So we will get 7 square, that is 49, plus 7 into a plus b is equal to 0. From here we will get 7a plus b equal to minus 49. It is equation number 1. Now we have to put the value of x equal to minus 4. So we will get minus 4 square plus a into minus 4 plus b is equal to 0. From here we will get 16 minus 4a plus b equal to 0. From here we will get b equal to 4a minus 16. Now we have to substitute this value in equation number 1. So we will get 7a plus 4a minus 16 equal to minus 49. From here we will get 11a equal to minus 49 plus 16, and minus 49 plus 16 is minus 33. So from here we will get a equal to minus 3. Now we have to substitute this value in equation number 2. So we will get b equal to 4 into minus 3 minus 16, which is equal to minus 12 minus 16 equal to minus 28. So the value of b is minus 28. It means our answer is option 2. So option 2 is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. If three consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression are 4 upon 5, comma a, comma 2, then the value of a is. If three numbers like a, comma b, comma c are in AP, then the formula is 2 into B equal to A plus C. So here we have to apply this formula. So we will get 2A equal to 4 upon 5 plus 2. When we solve this part, so we will get 4 plus 10 upon 5, which is equal to 14 upon 5. So from here we will get A equal to 14 upon 2 into 5, which is equal to 7 upon 5. So it means our answer is fourth one. Next question is, in the given figure, PQ parallel to RS, angle POR, this angle is given 110 degree, and angle RSO. So angle RSO, it means this angle is given 52 degree. Then the value of angle PQO. So then the value of angle PQO, it means we have to find out this angle. So here you can see this PS is a line and this angle is 110 degree. So this means this angle is 70 degree, and PQ is parallel to RS. So it means this angle R is equal to this angle Q, because these two angles are alternate interior angles. So we have to apply in triangle RSO angle sum property. So we will get angle R equal to 180 minus 70 plus 52, which is equal to 180 minus 70 plus 52 is 122. When we subtract these two numbers, so we will get 10 minus 2 is 8, 7 minus 2 is 5. So angle R equal to 58 degree. It means angle Q is also 58 degree. So option 3 is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. In the given figure, AB, BC, CD and DA are the tangents to the circle if AB equal to 10 centimeter. This length is given 10 centimeter and DC equal to 7 centimeter. This is given 7 centimeter and AP equal to 5 centimeter. Then the value of BC, we have to find out this value. So here you can see the value of AB is 10 centimeter and the value of AP is 5. It means PB is also equal to 5. So this is the exterior point for this triangle, and here we have to draw two tangents, that is BP and BQ. So BP is equal to BQ by the theorem. So BQ is also 5 centimeter. Similarly, you can see RD is given 4 centimeter. So here when we subtract 7 minus 4, so we will get the value of RC, that is equal to 3. So it means CQ is also 3 centimeter. So the length of BC is 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8 centimeter. So our answer is 8 centimeter, which is in option 1. So option 1 is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. The point equidistance from points 0, 0, 5, 0 and 0, 4 is. So first of all, we have to plot these points in a Cartesian system. So पहले हम इसको Cartesian system में plot कर लेते हैं. 0, 0, it means it is a origin point. Next point is 5, 0. 5, 0 is lying on x-axis. It is x-axis. So let's assume this point is a 5, 0. And next point is 0, 4. So 0, 4 is lying on positive y-axis. So it is 0, 4. When we draw these 2 points, so we will get right angle triangle. So right angle triangle में जो equidistance point होता है वो hypotenuse का mid point होता है. So हमें यहाँ पे क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? इक्विडिस्टेंस पॉइंट. सो इक्विडिस्टेंस पॉइंट इज 0 प्लस 5 अपॉन 2 कॉमा 4 प्लस 0 अपॉन 2, which is equal to 2.5 comma 2. It means option 2 is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. Sin 30 degree plus cos 30 degree minus tan 45 degree. So we have to substitute the value of sin 30, cos 30 and minus tan 45. So sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 minus tan 45 is 1. We have to take LCM here, so it is 2. So when we solve this, so we will get 1 plus root 3 minus 2. It is equal to root 3 minus 1 upon 2. It means option 1 is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. If sec square a plus tan square a equal to 3, then what is the value of cos a? So यहाँ पे हम एक identity apply कर लेते हैं, that is 1 plus tan square a equal to sec square a. So from here we will get tan square a equal to sec square a minus 1. Now we have to substitute this value in given equation. So we will get sec square a plus sec square a minus 1 equal to 3. From here we will get 2 sec square a is equal to 4 or sec square a is equal to 2 or sec A is equal to under root of 2, it means the cos A is the reciprocal of sec. So it means cos A equal to 1 upon root 2, which is in option 4. So option 4 is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. From exactly midpoint between the foots of the two towers P and Q of the angles of elevation of their top are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively, then the ratio of the heights of tower P and tower Q is. So first of all, we have to draw a diagram according to this statement. So here let us assume this is the foot of the tower. So this point is P and this point is Q. Exactly इनके मिड पॉइंट से दोनों टावर्स का जो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन है वो हमें गिवन है. सो डायग्राम इज लाइक दिस. लेट अस अज्यूम दिस एलिवेशन एंगल इज 45 डिग्री एंड दिस एंगल इज 60 डिग्री. सो हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? हाइट्स ऑफ द टावर P एंड टावर Q. सो लेट्स अज्यूम हाइट ऑफ टावर P इज h1 एंड हाइट ऑफ टावर Q is h2. So here you can see it is a midpoint. It means if this point is O, it means PO and OQ are equal. So the height h1 upon PO is equal to tan 45 degree. So h1 equal to PO because tan 45 is 1. It is equation number 1. Similarly, in this triangle h2 upon OQ equal to tan 60 degree and tan 60 degree is root 3. So h2 is root 3 into OQ. Now we have to find out the h1 upon h2. So h1 upon h2 equal to PO upon root 3 into OQ, and PO and OQ are equal. So PO and OQ are cancelled out. So the ratio of these two tower height is 1:√3, which is in option 3. So option 3 is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. The area of the sector of a circle is 77 square centimeter and the angle of the sector is 60 degree. Then the radius of the circle is. So area of the sector formula is theta upon 360 into pi r square, and this area is given 77 square centimeter. So here we have to put the value of theta. So we will get 60 upon 360 into the value of pi is 22/7 into r square equal to 77. From here we will get r square equal to 77 into 60 and 360 are cancelled out by 6 times. So it is 6 into 7 upon 22. 77 and 22 both numbers are divisible by 11. 11 7 are 77, 11 2 are 22 and 2 3 are 6. So r square equal to 7 into 7 into 3. It means the radius of the circle is 7√3 centimeter. So which is in option 2. So option 2 is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. If the mean of the above distribution is 8, then the value of P is. So here we have to apply mean formula. Mean formula is mean equal to summation of Fi xi upon summation of Fi. Here mean is given 8. So 8 equal to summation of Fi xi. So here F is 3, x is 2. So 3 into 2 is 6 plus 5 into P is 5p, 8 5s are 40 plus 11 6s are 66 plus 14 2s are 28 upon the sum of the frequencies. So sum of the frequencies 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 3 is 16. So it is 16 plus p. Now we have to do cross multiplication here. So 8 into 16 is 128 plus 8p is equal to 60 plus 40 is 106, 106 plus 6 is 112, 112 plus 28 is 140 plus 5p. So from here we will get 8p minus 5p is equal to 140 minus 128, which is equal to 12. So from here we will get 3p equal to 12 or p equal to 4. So it means the value of P is 4, which is in option 3. So option 3 is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. If a die is thrown once, then the probability of getting an even prime number will be. If a die thrown once, the total outcomes are 6. Total outcomes are 6. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we have to find the probability of getting an even prime number. So you can see even prime number is only one, that is 2. So the probability of this is 1 upon total outcomes, that is 6. So it is 1 by 6, which is in option 4. So option 4 is the right answer.